Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression 3 times 2 plus 2 divided by 2 in parentheses. So 2 plus 2 gives us 4. Now 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. Now 3 times 2 gives us 6. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First, parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. And as we know, multiplication and division are equally important, and addition and subtraction are equally important. So according to this rule, we have one parenthesis here that we have to solve with first. And as we know, division has higher priority than this addition. So we have to solve this division first. So 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. Now 2 plus 1 gives us 3. Now we have 3 and we have one multiplication here and this 3. Now 3 times 3 gives us 9. The final answer is 9. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.